Good morning, everyone. My name is Indiana Ortez. I'm the third generation of the oldest Nicaraguan tobacco family. And today, I welcome you not only to our factory, but into our legacy. We are
Omar Ortez.
Tobacco runs in our blood. It started with my grandfather, perfected by my father, and now continue with us, the third generation. Here, we don't just make cigars, we live them. We touch every leaf. We ferment with intention. We taste with reverence. And today, I will take you deep into the heart of this craft. Fermentation. The quiet transformation that shapes everything that you taste in a cigar. Fermentation is a controlled decomposition process under a specific condition. Heat, humidity, and pressure, tobacco oxidizes. In this process, we remove harsh compounds like tar and release the natural sugars and oils that gives tobacco its aroma, smoothness, and identity. That harsh feeling in your mouth, that bite, it is not a strength. It is a sign of under-fermented tobacco. What we seek here is balance, smoothness, and complexity. Let's begin with Condega Viso at 60% of fermentation. As I light up this grado puro, I feel a sharpness, bitterness, and an uneven burn, a heavy, unrefined flavor. It has a strength, but not harmony. This is power without elegance. And now, let's move into Condega Viso at 100% of fermentation. Same leaf, same origin, fully transformed. I feel the difference instantly. The harshness is gone. The smoke is smooth. The flavors refined and balanced. The burn even and clean. There is depth in every puff. This is what defines good tobacco, a journey of flavor that unfolds, not one that shuts. In blending, balance is everything. Flavors should coexist, not compete. Let's talk about nicotine. Nicotine is not just a taste on the tongue. It's felt in the bloodstream. Well-fermented tobacco lets you feel it gradually, without overwhelming you. Fermentation is the silent architecture of a great cigar. It is not just a phase, It is the soul of the fermentation. We live this every day at Omar Ortez. It's in our blood, in our hands, in our timing, and that's why our tobacco speaks clearly. I am Indiana Ortez, third generation of the oldest Nicaraguan tobacco family. And we are
Omar Ortez.